How to get untradeable items in the Bingo Blitz game. In this game, untradeable items, often referred to as ungiftable or hard to get items, are exclusive collectibles that cannot be traded, gifted, or purchased with coins. These items must be earned through specific gameplay activities. Now here are some tips on how to get them. Now the first thing you can do is utilize shadow cards. Focus on achieving bingos on shadow cards as they often contain untradeable items. Next is participate in events. Engage in seasonal events and special rooms, which frequently offer exclusive untradeable items as rewards. Next is play slot rooms. Explore various slot rooms to collect unique untradeable items specific to those games. And next is use collection passes. If available, collection passes allow you to select specific collection items or puzzle pieces needed to complete a room. And by actively participating in different game modes and events, you can collect untradeable items essential for completing collections and earning rewards in the Bingo Blitz game. And that's it. This is how you can get the untradeable items in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.